Hello. Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn about strings in C Sharp. What are the strings operations available? What is interpolation? And what are the verbatim strings? All these topics we are going to be covered in this video. So first, what exactly is a string in C Sharp? String is nothing but it is a sequence of characters. It is just like a text. So you can see here we have hello world text here. This is nothing but a string data type with respect to C Sharp. Strings are immutable, which means once you declare a string, the value of string cannot be changed. Okay, so this is a example for string. What are the string operations available? First one is concatenation. Nothing but when you want to join more strings together, then we can make use of concatenation. So it's like you can see two strings here, first name and last name. We wanted to combine both of them, then we can simply make use of arithmetic operators here. So we are just concatenating first name and last name, and the result will be this. And you can notice a space between first name and last name. That is because of the space we created here. Okay, this is how we perform concatenation. And if you want to find out the length of a string, then we can make use of length function. So you can see that we have string text with the value hello, and you want to know what is the length of the string, how many characters are present in the string. Then you can make use of dot length. We are just calculating the length of it. Okay, the length will be 5 because there are total 5 characters in this string. Then we have substring. Substring is nothing but it is a part of the string. Okay, we have hello as one string here, and you want to extract a portion of the string, then you can make use of substring function. So you can see that to this substring function, we are passing some values. These values are nothing but indexes. So you wanted to extract a part of the string, right? So from where you wanted to start with it, you wanted to start at first index, and then where you want till where you want the string, you want it till third index. So in programming languages, the indexes starts with 0. Okay, so h will be 0, this will be 1, this will be 2, this l will be 3, this o will be 4. So you want to start a substring starts with 1, nothing but e, and end at 3, nothing but this l. So this ell will be printed as part of the. Next, we can convert a string to upper and lower cases by using the inbuilt upper and lower functions. So you can see hello is in small letters here, and we are converting that to upper letters here. Also, we have replace function. If you want to replace any character with the target value, you can do it so using replace function. So what I wanted to do is I want to change this cat. I wanted to replace this string, the keyword C with B. Then what will happen? C will be B, A, T. Then this bat will be printed in the output. Then we have split function. So split function, what it will do is it will split string into array of strings using a separator. So we have fruits string here with the value apple, comma, banana, comma, orange. So you wanted to split it based on this comma. Okay. What will happen is these strings will be converted to array of strings. So now apple will be one string, banana is another string, orange is another string. So this is collection of strings. Array of string is nothing but it is the collection of strings that you are achieving it through the split function. Next, we have string interpolation. This is nothing but when you want to insert variables directly into a string using the dollar symbol. Suppose I wanted to print this message. I wanted to print this message. If you observe here, I'm not putting name and age here hard coded. I'm not hard coding the values. Instead, I'm reading it from some other variables. We have age variable here, name variable here. I'm making use of those variables instead of the hard coded values here. So this can be achieved with the dollar symbol, and then whatever you wanted to get replaced, you put it inside the parenthesis. So this is nothing but interpolation. So at the time of execution, it will search for this name variable. What is the value of name? This is the value of name. And what is the value of age? This is the value of age. So at runtime, it will take the actual values and print it like this. So this is how interpolation works in strings. Next, we have verbatim strings. So these starts with at the rate, and it will allow us to write multi-line strings. So far, we have come across one-line strings, right? So whenever you wanted to have multiple lines, like this is line 1, line 2, line 3, then that's not possible with strings. But by making use of verbatim string, like starting with at the rate, you can write multiple strings. Okay. And also, whenever you wanted to print any path means generally we have path in our local system, right? Like we have users folder and so, right? So whenever you want to achieve this slash, you have to escape manually. But by making use of verbatim string, you need not to escape the slashes. Okay. That's how verbatim strings works. So in the summary, we have gone through various operations like concatenation, which will just perform addition of the string values. And then if you want to find out the length of it, here hello is a string, and what is the length of it? There are total 5 characters in the string. If you want to perform a substring, means at which index you wanted to start to which index you wanted to end, that you can pass in the parameters. So accordingly, it will print the substring. Then we have upper and lower functions, which are used to perform uh, case operations, like you are converting from small case to uppercase. And if you want to replace something from the string, here I have cat as one string and I wanted to replace C with B, then we can do it so using replace functions. And then we also have split function, which will split the string based on a character that we specify as part of the split function. So now A comma B, we are separating it based on the comma. So A will become one string, B will become one string. So this string is converted to array of strings. Next, we have interpolation. Whenever you want to read the value from some other variable, you can make use of interpolation like this. And verbatim string. So whenever you want to declare a path, you need to escape slashes, right? So that you need not to do when you are using a verbatim string. Also, it is used to have multiple string lines. Okay. So that's all about the strings in C# and various operations that we can achieve as part of the strings. So yeah, thanks for watching.